Hi, I'm KONSTA from PropellerAds. Today, I'm excited to share our insights about why users do not convert. I mean, why do they enter your site but then just leave? Why don't they purchase goods, download files, sign up, or do whatever you want them to do? Reason number one, you did not subscribe to our channel, you haven't watched enough cat memes, and you haven't read our blog cover to cover. Okay, that was a joke, you got me. So let's get serious, guys. Here are the real reasons why your users are not like shopaholics during Black Friday. Reason number one, poor user experience. In other words, your landing page is inconvenient. Here is what we recommend. Avoid using unusual navigation. People are used to scroll sides down. Let them do it. Check that all your buttons work. Do they technically allow users to convert? Is your site good enough for mobile screens? And avoid auto-playing videos. They can be really annoying. Reason number two, your site doesn't look trustful. You're not a scammer and your landing page is safe. Prove it to the users. What can you show? Here are some of the best examples. Positive reviews, offer money back, and guarantees. If you can, promise to keep all data safe. Let users feel free to share personal and payment details. Reason number three, your user needs to make too many steps. Are you sure that your sign-up form is easy to fill out? Can users buy a product quickly? If your offer makes people fill out extremely long sign-up forms, they can give up too early. Here are some tips for you. Use visual elements in your forms. Break down your forms into several smaller parts. Check user journey in your offer. Would you convert if you were a user? Reason number four, not enough payment options. What if a user is ready to pay but doesn't see the payment method they want? Well, it is obvious. Best thing is to have as many options as possible. But it's not you who accepts the payment, so what do you do? The only way is to check all offers you want to promote. Look at the offers before you take it. Are there enough popular payment options for everyone? Reason number five, bad call center. Some conversions are very complicated. For example, sometimes you get paid only after a user makes a purchase. It means that the conversion does not depend just on you, but also on a call center. How do you know though that a call center does its best? The only way is to check yourself. Just call them and see how they do their job. Try to follow these simple tips and you'll see your conversions grow. And to learn more about the reasons why users do not convert, read the full article in our PropellerAds blog. See the link in the description to this video. To get more insights, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching and have a productive day ahead.